Hi guys, and welcome back to Crypto News. I'm your host, Crypto Chester, and today I'm here to talk to you about dogs. DOGS is the ticker. Yes, you heard it correctly, dogs. We've done a couple of videos on this, but I see some requests in the comment section to do a few more and to update you on dogs and what I think is going to be happening, and basically how we can continuously be profiting from this price action, okay? Because it's been a crazy launch strategy. These guys are targeting airdrops and going into all the centralized exchanges using their volume and stuff like that. So really interesting launch strategy from dogs. But I know a lot of you bought it, and I know a lot of you are sat there currently in the negative right now, and that's why I'm trying to show you guys ways that you can be trading this and giving you guys trade ideas. Obviously, you got to do your own research that can potentially be profitable to you. Now, let's run through dogs just from sort of a overall perspective, and then we're going to get into the chart. Okay, drop a little like if you could. And the market cap for Doge currently is around $496 million. So we have unfortunately lost the amazing $500 million. Okay, so that does kind of suck, and we have lost the top 100. Okay, the top 100 cryptocurrencies, which obviously is a nice spot to be in. I remember dogs being in 96th at one point for a little while. Now we're down at around 108th. So this does show that we are essentially losing momentum here, which unfortunately isn't great, but there's still hope in the tank, and I will go through to the chart and show you why there is a bit of hopium out there. Volume right now is actually down 30% here over the last 24 hours, which, yes, 30% is pretty bad. Okay, it's not too good, but it is still Jordan. It is still 23rd in the volume race right now. So overall, it's actually his volume's actually performing really well compared to other cryptocurrencies. So this is actually a bullish sign, guys. Even though it is down 30% here over the last 24 hours, it's still a very bullish sign to be up in that top 23, top 25 sort of spot there for volume here on the daily, especially in this market, right? So yeah, let's jump over to the chart for dogs and let's have a little look. Before we get to the chart quickly, guys, if you're looking for a new project, go check out MemeBet. I'll leave the link in the description. It's basically a meme coin casino. They just partnered up with Argentina's national football team. So pretty crazy stuff happening over there. Just going to leave the link in the description for you guys to check out. They're in a pre-sale phase right now. They've raised near enough $250,000. So yeah, definitely not one to miss. Super early alpha entry there. Links in the description. Jumping back over to the dogs price action. Now, what did we say in the last video? We said that there's a breakout scenario, and there's also a bounce trade that we can take advantage of. Now, these two things have happened pretty goddamn perfectly. Okay, and you can go back to the last video on Crypto News' channel, and you can go check it out if you really want to. But this is exactly what we predicted here. We saw this low get set in, and we said this is going to be the floor, the new bounce point that we're looking for this meme, well, for this coin. And you can see the momentum from that zone is super strong, really bullish. So it kind of tells us that we're bound to have the same sort of bullish momentum from tapping that low again. Nothing crazy, but still 4.32% in terms of a move to the upside is definitely something that we can capitalize on. So very good stuff to everyone who got involved with that, making back that dollar. And also we were looking at this breakout scenario as well, worth around 5% here on previous video, and you can see absolutely sailed that, smashed that price target. So well done again to anyone who rode that breakout of that lovely symmetrical triangle chart pattern. Let's scrap that for now, and let's keep this keep the trend lines going. Let's get rid of that one, and let's talk about this new breakout scenario, which we are potentially going to witness here for this asset. What I'm looking at right now, I'm going to delete a few more trend lines here, just so it's a bit easier for you guys to see. What I'm looking at right now, it is going to be this falling wedge scenario. Okay, so you can see we do have resistance on the top side, support on the lower side, and of course resistance again, heavy on the downside here, but we haven't really seen that that resistance sort of play out again, really, because we lost this level of support, but we didn't retest or anything like that. So the resistance here isn't actually strong at all, and you can see here from previous price action we smashed through it very violently. So what does that tell us? It tells us here that if we do see price action sort of elevate to the upside here and we get to this sort of area again, we can be using this level of support, bang, 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 very nice here, very strong momentum from that zone, and this point for resistance. Okay, you can see multiple resistance on this area, multiple support in this area too. What does this leave us? It leaves us in a position of profit. No, basically leaves us a very nice gap here to capitalize on. The gap that I'm referring to, it's going to be worth around 3.28%. It's this lovely green area here. Obviously, still depending on where we break out, guys. We still got to be very, very vigilant of that. But yeah, definitely a profit area for dogs to really be taken advantage of here, on the basis that we do head up. Now, on the basis that we do head down, guys, we can't really rule out seeing new lows, especially in this market, just because of how everything is happening right now. Another assassination attempt on Trump here. But if we are going to be looking to short dogs and get involved with some lower side price action here for this asset, you can see what it's doing right now is slightly bullish, but technically it's still bearish because we are still testing lows, okay? So we need to be very, very vigilant of that. And basically, usually what this means is we come up, we test this lower high sort of area, and then we come down, we break this low, and then we can short this little pocket right here, okay? So the pocket that I'm referring to is going to be something along the lines of this, and this is going to be a short position that is going to be worth roughly around 3%. So you can see here, guys, I've given you two very easy, very, very profitable trades for you guys to go take advantage of. Obviously, do your own research. Don't just jump into it. You need to be very vigilant when trading stuff like this. But that is my two predictions there for Doge. Not for Doge, for dogs. We've been pretty spot on here over the last couple of videos here. So hopefully we can get some nice juicier trades coming through here over on dogs. Let me know what you think in the comment section. I'm intrigued to know, and drop a little like if you found any sort of value in this video. It does help us out tremendously over here on Crypto News. And again, let me know your pins in the comment section. And just touching back on that meme bet coin quickly, guys, this pre-sale is not going to last forever. If you want to get involved with it and you don't want to miss this super early alpha entry, basically you can play roulette with your meme coins. You can play blackjack, poker. There's going to be loads and loads and loads of cool stuff. So just think how much traction this thing's going to get, right? Super early, super alpha. They've already raised $250,000 near enough. So it's destined to succeed here. I see it as like a stake.com or like a reputable casino like stake.com. And I do think that we are going to see some serious price action for this asset. But yeah, let me know in the comment section what you think as well. Again, I'll leave the links in the description there for you to decide. But yeah, if you want to get involved with the pre-sale, Ethereum, USDT, card, BNB, or even Pol. Bit of Matic there as well. Good stuff. But yeah, that's going to be it from me. Thank you ever so much for watching. Again, let me know what you think of dogs in the comment section and what you think of this video. That's going to be it from me. Thank you ever so much for watching. Peace out, and I'll see you in the next one.